housekeeping. How may I help you?
My room is very hot. It seems that there are some problems with the air conditioner in my room.
Is your room number 1024, sir?
Yes, it's 1024.
I'm so sorry, sir. I will send someone up immediately to check for you.
Sure. By the way, the sink is dug and I cannot flush the water. Did the housekeeper examine it before I check in? It smells terrible.
Maybe the water pipe got some problems. I will send the plumber up right away, sir.
Okay, thanks.
Is there anything else I can do for you, sir?
No thanks. Bye.
Hey, sorry again for the inconvenience, sir. Bye.